So in this question basically we'll be using the formula density is equal to mass per unit volume. Chris, are we aware of this?
Yes, sir.
And another formula that we should be aware is pressure is equal to force per unit area. Are we aware of this?
No, sir.
Okay. So can you note this down?
Yes, sir.
Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Now pressure, the units of pressure, the SI unit is Pascal. Pascal.
Okay,
And
sir.
then uh, actually I should write P in small. So Pascal is equal to Newton upon meter square. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So pressure is equal to force per unit area, small formula. Force
Yes.
is in Newton and area is in meter square. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And density is equal
Yes,
to
yes. Mass.
mass upon volume. And the units are simple. Mass is measured in kg and meter cube is the unit of volume. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
See, Chris, one thing that you need to understand is that you have to always keep the mass as kg, the distance as meter, the time as second, so that you can work automatically. You will start getting Pascal, you'll start getting Newton. So these
Yes.
units will automatically come. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Another formula that we might require, you would have studied that in your maths class, is volume of a cuboid. Can you tell me the formula?
Length into width into height.
Shabash.
L into B into H.
Shabash. Very nice. Okay. Now let us start solving the question. Piece of glass of thickness 2 centimeter,
Yes, sir.
area 0.15 meter square. What that means is that this area is 0.15 meter square, thickness is 2
Yes,
centimeter.
sir.
So density and what is the weight? Now another formula that we will require is weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, which is taken as 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. Chris, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah. Now if you see what they have mentioned is that take the weight of 1 kg to be 10 Newton. So acceleration of free fall is 10 meter per second square. So acceleration due to gravity they have told us to take as 10 meter per second square. Chris, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So that is why you need to look at the instructions which are given to you. So here you will find that the g has to be taken to be 10. Okay. So let us find the volume. The volume would be length into breadth into
Yes, sir.
the height. In this case, length and breadth is area. Height is replaced by thickness. The area is 0.15 meter square. The thickness is 2 upon 100 meter. Chris, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, I've told you that you have to be in SI unit so that the units will automatically start falling in place. So this would be equal to 15 to the 30, 1010. This would be 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. Chris, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Is my calculation okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think it is okay. Yeah. So now we have found the volume. With the volume, I have the density. So mass is equal to density into volume.
Yes, sir.
Density would be 2.6 into 10 raised to power 3 into 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this will cancel, and 6 3 the 18, 3 to the 6. So 7.8 kg is the mass of this glass slab. Is it making sense, Chris?
Yes, sir.
So to calculate the weight, what I have to do is multiply this 7.8 by 10, and the answer would be 78 Newton. Chris, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So easy question, 3 marks for it. Very small. And these are the kind of questions which are usually asked. Pretty easy questions, not much of hassle. Any doubt in here?
No, sir.
Now let us look at the next part. Uh, okay. I don't require anything from, I don't think so. I require anything from this. So, okay. Now this glass is used as a vertical viewing window of an aquarium. So there might be an aquarium like this, and this glass is used like to view the aquarium. Is it making sense, Chris?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So atmospheric pressure outside the aquarium. So the pressure outside is 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Any doubt till here?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
And the pressure inside. Why would there be pressure inside, Chris?
So, one second. So because the mm, of any force, there is an equal and opposite force.
Array, there is water inside. So due to water, there will be a pressure. Have you
Yes, sir.
understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, this is an aquarium, no? So in the aquarium, it is filled with water. So there would be water inside, and this water would be exerting pressure, and that is why they have told you about the average pressure on the inside of the aquarium is 1.3 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal.
Yes, sir.
Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just try to understand and ask any doubt if you have. See, there is a
Sir,
yeah.
yes, sir. So they have not mentioned that there is water or something.
So how will there be a pressure inside? Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, that is obvious, na? They haven't stated that there is water inside, but they have told that it is an aquarium. So you'll have to, use common sense and understand that aquarium has water, and due to the water, there is a pressure inside. Is it making sense?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In 11th and 12th, you want to take science or commerce?
I don't know, sir.
I'm sorry, you are not sure as yet.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure.
Okay. So these kind of assumptions will have to be made. That yes, they have told that there is water inside. So outside pressure is 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. And can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me why there is a outside pressure?
So because of the air
Yeah,
or
yeah, shabash. Due to the atmosphere, there is pressure. Is it
yes,
making
sir.
sense?
Yes, sir.
So there is outside pressure and then there is a inside pressure.
Yes.
This is the outside pressure due to atmosphere, and this is the inside pressure. This is the pressure due to the water inside. Is it making
Water.
sense?
Yes, sir.
So there would be a net pressure, which will be this side, which will be 1.3 10 raised to power 5 Pascal minus 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Chris, have you understood this or should I explain?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
So this would be 0.3 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal is the net pressure, and this pressure is from inside to outside. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
This is the net pressure that the water is exerting.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen a movie where there is a shooting which takes place and one of the bullet hits the aquarium? Have you seen any such movie?
No, sir.
Yeah. If I find any snapshot on YouTube, I'll send across. See, there's a huge pressure due to the water inside. And when in one of the movie I had seen, so there was this restaurant in which there was a huge aquarium, and the villain shoots from outside, and this aquarium breaks down, and this huge wave of water comes into the restaurant. If I am able to find the snapshot on YouTube, I'll send across. But
Yes.
if you see, there is this pressure which has built up inside the aquarium. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. This is the pressure which is a net pressure which is there inside the aquarium. Yeah.
Yes.
Now we know that the area of this glass slab is 0.15 meter square. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The we will do. I'll send you a worksheet of pressure also. So if you have any doubt, we'll try to do that.
Yes.
So this is the area of the slab, 0.15 meter square. So this net pressure would be acting on this area. And I know that pressure is equal to force per unit area, and force is equal to pressure into area, and pressure is 0.3 10 raised to power 5 into 0.15. So this would be 3 upon 10, 10 raised to power 5, 15 upon 100. So on cancellation, these three zeros will cancel. This will be 2 and this will be 1500 Newton. This would be the net force which will be acting on the glass pane. Chris, is it making sense? Chris, is it making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great.